Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the video and either an SRT/VTT or a plan to auto-generate captions. Start now. First, verify the file container and rename both files so they match base names. Then open your chosen tool, VLC for quick soft sub testing, Handbrake to hardburn, or a subtitle editor to adjust timings. This saves sync headaches later. Matching file names or loading the subtitle explicitly ensures the player, or once loaded, scrub through the video and listen for misaligned lines. Use small offsets to shift the whole subtitle track if needed. Make precise edits, split long lines, shorten to 2 lines max, and set readable durations per caption. Save as UTF-8 to avoid garbled characters. If you're auto-generating, export a draft, then edit timestamps and text for accuracy. This step prevents reading fatigue and ensures captions show at natural reading speed. Decide whether to soft sub or hard sub. For soft subs, place the SRT beside the video or mux it into an MKV so viewers can toggle captions. For permanent subtitles, encode with Handbrake or FFmpeg to burn them in. After encoding, test the final file on at least 2 players and on mobile to confirm timing and legibility. Troubleshooting tip. If subtitles disappear, check file name match, track language settings, and resave the SRT as UTF-8 to fix invisible or garbled text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.